Neigh, neigh. Oh, the horse is on the farm. Neigh. The horse goes, neigh, neigh. I'm hungry. Oh, so am I. Neigh. I'm hungry too. Neigh. We're all out of food. Where is our food? Neigh, neigh, neigh. Bah, bah. I'm hungry too, said the sheep. Bah, bah. Oh. Oh, corn, we love corn. Oh, and some breads and some grasses and vegetables. Nay, this food is delicious. Let's gallop. Oh, our farm is awesome. I'm full. You guys ready to go back inside and go to bed? Yes. What other animals are on the farm? We already saw the horse, which goes, neigh. And the sheep, that goes, bah, bah. Oh, what's this? Ruff, 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 ruff. A dog is on the farm. Ruff, 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 ruff. Where's he going? He's coming over to the pig pen. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oh, there's a mommy and a daddy and a baby pig on the farm. Oink, oink, oink. Do you pigs want some corn to eat? Let's feed them some slosh. Pigs love slosh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, pigs love slosh. Pigs love slosh. Oh, the pig family is totally full. What else is on the farm? The turkey. The turkey goes, gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. The turkey walks back and forth on the top of the farm. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. What is behind this door? Ready? Mm. Mm. The bull. The bull says, mm. Mm. Hello, Mr. Bull. Bulls are male cows. Hello, Mr. Bull. Do you want to come out? Mm. 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 Mr. Bull is looking for his girl cows called heifers. Where are all the girl cows? Moo, moo. There they are. All of the cows are in the cornfield. Moo. Mr. Bull goes and eats some of the corn with his cows. Nom, 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 nom. Cows go moo, moo. We have the mama cow right here. Oh, and we have a little baby cow right back here. So cute, the little baby. The mama cow has a heart on her head, and the baby cow has a diamond on her head. And the cows go moo, moo. What else can we find on the farm? The donkey goes, ee-haw, ee-haw, ee-haw. Hello, donkey. What does the donkey say? Ee-haw, ee-haw, ee-haw. I'm hungry too. I want some corn. Ooh, hey. The donkey says, ee-haw, ee-haw. What else can we find on the farm? What's back here? Is this a goat? Hello, Mr. Goat. What does a goat say? May, may, may. Goats love to jump on things. May. And eat the corn. May, may. Oh no, Mr. Goat has jumped into the donkey cage. Hello, donkey. Hello, goat. May, ee-haw, may, ee-haw. These are all the animals on our farm, kids. Now let's go through them one more time to hear what sound they make. Are you ready? The sheep says, baa, baa, baa. The goat says, may, may, may. The donkey says, ee-haw, ee-haw, ee-haw. The horses say, neigh, neigh, neigh. The turkey says, gobble, 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 gobble. The pigs say, oink, 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 oink. The dog says, ruff, 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 ruff. The cows say, moo, moo, moo. These are all the animals you can find on a farm. All right, and here are Rory's 3 fun facts about animals on a farm. Our first fact is about pigs. They are extremely intelligent animals. They are also very social. Fact number 2 is about the donkey. They have really big ears that help them stay cool. And fact number 3, a sheep's wool never stops growing. Bye. We'll see you guys next time. If you'd like to watch more videos like these from Rorys Animal Land, please subscribe by clicking the button below. We'll see you next time.